Hey guys, new Gambrel setup. We've got 2 deer already this year. Excited to use this one. I'm going to show you how it works really quickly. Basically, coming out of the box, it's going to disconnect like this for easy storage. All you need to do is connect it like that. You have your metal loop up here. It goes onto this metal hook. So you have a bottom metal hook and a top metal hook. It's tied up to the tree. The top hook has the locking mechanism. So this locking mechanism goes on top, and we're going to have my son hang on it so you can see the weight. So go ahead and hang on that. So he's going to hang on this. I'm going to pull him up, and you can see how this works here. It glides through there. I'm pulling. So basically, I'm pulling up. Now I'm going to just lock this rope. I'm going to push this metal lever up, this lock lever up, and this rope is going to lock into place right there. So you can see here, that's locked. All right, so that's locked into place there. Tension is off. So to unlock it, I just need to pull this lever down, and this rope is not going to get caught in there anymore. So go like this, pull it out, and now I can lower it if I want to, or pull it up. So that's locked into place. If I want to pull it back, if I want to loosen it, just loosen it like that, and you can drop your deer. So super excited about this. I really like how it works so far. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.